crazy lately. I've learned to not give a frick. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a week into my life. Today is Saturday and the whole plan for today is to just jump in the water. That's kind of my only goal for the day. So we need to go over right now to clean the beach house because there are people about to check in. So let's go head out over to the beach house and then I will see you there. You might hear a little bit of background noise from the vacuum, but this is gonna be a quick little monologue, I guess. Anyways, we are at the beach house right now, just cleaning. We have to clean while we wait for the laundry to be done. Hopefully we can finish cleaning before the laundry's done so that I can relax for a little bit. I was trying to edit the last Tennessee vlog. I don't know why these like 3 vlogs are taking me so long to do, but I don't know why. I'm just like, it's been really hard for me to edit, to work on school lately. My anxiety is like really bad. Hopefully this weekend revives everything in me. My mind, it's been going crazy lately. But for right now, Saturday is gonna be a fun day and I'm not gonna let my anxiety get in the way of that. Yeah, we're gonna have a good day. Let's go finish cleaning the beach house. Shuffling God over here, honestly. Oh my God, Christian. Oh, you're always so oblivious. Oh, I hate this. They keep running away from me. Little beads. Yeah, because they keep running away. Do you not see them floating across the floor? Oh, so they were running, now they're floating? Yeah. We finally finished cleaning. I think we're about to head over and see what Dad's doing over at the boat. Be a vlogger for a minute. Okay guys, while my dad and mom are now talking at the boat with people for like hours at this point. Oh my God, that's so loud. Me and my sister are going to be at the pool. Alright, but if I go, you have to go. Okay. 2, 1, go. Stop! Just go! You're making me I will stop. Oh, frick! Oh! I didn't know I was gonna splash that much. Drown if I kissed your face. I was feeling so warm, now I'm feeling so cold. Can you come and hold me? I don't think I'm okay. Tell me that you're okay. Every single thought inside my brain. Okay, we finished up over at the pool and basically the plan for the rest of the day. Also, I think I'm really bad lit right now. Let me go stand. People might be watching me. But I've learned to not give a frick. Like I was saying, we finished up at the pool finally and about to go to the boat. I'm about to change my bathing suit and my outfit over at the little bathrooms over there, and then we're gonna go to the boat. And yeah, that's basically it. I don't even know if we're taking the boat out because it's like 3 o'clock. Kind of what's going on right now. I think we're about to go to the boat and I'll see you guys over there. I'm also excited because I finally get to show you guys the boat and I don't think I have done that yet.
like those steps.
She's got the blues, yeah.
You're gonna fall. Oh my god. From down there? Currently leaving the boat because we're not going out today, which I kind of called it when we were at the pool because it was too late and the tide's already going in or out. I forgot which one it is. Sorry, I'm like not a boater. I used to travel in a boat, but not anymore. So we're going to wake up early tomorrow and go out, but for now, I'm so excited. We made it to the boat and we are gonna fill up the water and then head out. But I'm really excited. I'm already in my bathing suit, so we're ready to go. If I just like fell over.
What's up, man? Yeah, time to get out.
I can see through here. It's recording now.
Yeah.
She was gonna untie the lines.
You sit with me? Alright, here we go.
You gotta pull hard, that's what I said. Or get it on the winch.
Yeah. This thing?
Yep.
Yep.
And you're only gonna be able to turn it somewhat because you need the rope tied in there.
It might be stuck. So now pull.
Little one on
Now
your
it's
feet.
pulling.
Right, you need the little one out. Keep going. There you go. I put that new
Yep.
thing on.
It's not where it needs to go.
No, it can't. So that's why it flies back so far. Yeah, I have to take the line off.
Yeah.
We are waiting right now. I was pulling out the jit, which I guess isn't the big sail, and now we're reeling, which means the line, the sail isn't all the way out. But they just put it back in.
Okay, it's in.
I don't know what's going on. Like pulling out the sails was fun.
Oh
my god. That's why I have a sticky case on my phone.
He didn't come back up. I saw him. She saw him. Screwing with it.
Every time I turn off the camera, it goes away.
Here, Bryn.
Got it. Where do I cut this? Same place?
Yeah.
Alright, we are going to go up to the pool and jump in the water. It's really hot out, so hopefully it'll be refreshing, but also hopefully it's not that cold. Getting deja vu from yesterday.
Sometimes I like to hike up mountains just to see how crazy small we are. So
Oh my god.
Cold, right?
You think?
in this world. So how the f are you still bitching about your problems? Can you fall apart? Baby girl.
Go play ping pong, guys.
Alright, you gotta make a bet that you can't get a divorce if I beat you.
Oh, you want to keep her forever?
Come on, go.
Oh god.
It's not. You have to hit my side first.
No, I don't.
No, you don't.
No, I don't.
Alright.
Ping
Now
pong,
you
right?
know why he won. He made up his own rules.
It's a broken ball.
It's a broken ball.
I'm winning anyway, it don't matter.
You
cannot
touched it.
play like that.
You touched it.
You cannot
You
play
touched
like
it.
that. You cannot, Tanya, it's already not
You
making it.
touched it. That's it.
Not.
Get your damn paddle out of the way.
7-4. No, it's not get your paddle out of the way. This is not tag your it. 7-4.
Yes, it is. You were in volleyball and you touched the ball before it went out of
This ain't
bounds.
volleyball.
That person got the
This
point.
ain't volleyball.
You didn't get the volleyball.
This ain't volleyball.
How can I be proud? I want to get to know you. Spending time with you is the key. Come inside and settle in. I'm gonna give